On the old 2162, the FD70s, they did not have, as you can see in this one, has a bolt in here where it can pivot. The older ones was straight metal, and they would start wearing through here. Adjusting this auger height, as you can see, this one seems kind of high. You should be able to slip your finger up to the first knuckle. I can get my whole hand underneath this one.
The first few knives here are actually a hardened blade. If you try and take the blades from the back and move them to the front, the back blades are not a hardened blade, so you'll just eat through them blades pretty quick.
And with this adjustment right here, you can move that auger up or down. With the adjustment back here, you can move that auger forward and back.
The 2162, the FD70s, a lot of them on the front of the drapers, they had chain links. If you still have the old chain links, I'd suggest replacing them.
Inside here is our chain for the auger. It's got its own tensioner right here with an own indicator on it. That's how tight it should be. You want to check it, make sure it's tight and proper.